Okay, Sydney. Where's the dog? Where's the doggy? Where's the excuse me, where's the dog? Woof woof. Show mommy where the dog is. Dog! Good girl! Dog! Woof woof. Yours was more doggy. I want to show you guys, she's pointing to this. Dog. Good girl, Sydney. You want to find the fish? Where's the fish? Where's the fishy? That we just started working on that one. Fish! Yeah. Okay, let's look one more time. Show them doggy. Alright. Go, let's see, who is this? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Sydney? Okay, say bye-bye. Whoop. Bye-bye.